All right, guys. So before I forget, quick story time. I'm trying to get a process done. Basically, you read into it if you want. Um, the government stole something from me, took something from me, and I am now not a child anymore. So I'm a grown up and I can realize what's going on and that there's other options. So I found one of those other options. I'm putting in paperwork at the courthouse. But the point of this video is just I did a lot of research before I came into the courthouse. I looked at the documents, I filled out the stuff before I got here. I had everything. It's like, you know, 10 pieces of document. Basically, I'm gonna just say 10. I had all 10, I believe. And I'm just telling you, coming up here, they don't want to give us all the information. But if they see that we have some of it, then they'll like drop little nuggets, those sprinkles, give us some sprinkles here and there, and you have to be able to pick it up and translate that shit into what you need. Basically, some of these people, now not all of them know what's going on, but the ones that do know what's going on in there, they're really hesitant to make it aware that they know that you know what's happening, or that you have a slightest clue as to what's going on. It's really weird, man. I came up here to give my paperwork. What's this, January the 22nd or 23rd? But this is Thursday. I went in Wednesday, turned the stuff in, but the right person wasn't there. So now I'm here again today. Well, I called again first. It's like, hey, is what's the name there? I was told that she's the more knowledgeable one in the office when it comes to this. Yes, I'll be here until 1 o'clock. Boom, I'm up here in 10 minutes. But like when I'm on the phone with her, I'm like, hey, I need this, this, and this done. She's like, oh, well, I can't tell you that you did it the right way or the wrong way, but what I can say is, I'm like, young, why are we speaking in code right now? And then I get up here, it's the same thing. She's like squirmish to give me the paperwork. She's squirmish to like answer a question that was solidified that I know what's going on. It's wild. It's wild. I'm gonna bring y'all more. They will not allow us to bring phones, anything that could record in the courthouse anymore out here in Virginia. It's been like that in Maryland for years, but no proof.